Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 11 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar application. In it we can change position or to month to be easily to add, and tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 28th of May, or we can press this plus icon. There we can add title of our event, what you need. We can make a location and add video calls. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day by switch on. There we set date when we want to add our event, maybe 22 of May. Repeat of that. If you need it, we can change color. Invite some people to our event. We can set alerts, maybe on the day at event at 9 o'clock. Show us it's busy, free. Attachment to that if you need it, and notes. After you set all you need, we press add and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.